Alright, in this video we have factoring trinomials in the form ax squared plus bx plus c, also known as the slip and slide technique. And if you notice right here, we just want to recognize that this looks like this. So when you see something that looks in the form of this, it's like, okay, I can use the slip and slide technique. And what the slip and slide technique is an algorithm that's going to factor this trinomial right here. So let's get right into it. The first thing we want to do is slip the a value to the c by multiplying it. So we're going to move that over. So then we're going to be left with x squared plus 14x plus 24. Now we have our basic trinomial that we know how to factor, and now we're going to use our magic x to factor this trinomial. Alright, two numbers to multiply give us 24, but add to give us 14, 7, I don't know where I get 7 from. How about 12 and 2? That came to my mind, because 12 times 2 is 24, and 12 plus 2 is 14. So then I'm going to be left with x plus 12, x plus 2. Now remember that value 3 that we slipped over? What we're going to do is put it in the second term of each binomial. And what we're going to do right here is, if it can be reduced, you reduce it. So, well, what's 12 divided by 3? Yeah, I'm going to put x plus 4, and then x plus 2/3. Now, lastly, what I want to do is, if there's anything in the denominator, I want to slide it over. So what you're going to do is take the denominator and slide it in front of the first term. Since there's a 1 here, if I slid that, it wouldn't affect anything, and I'm just going to leave it as is. So then I'm left with x plus 4 times 3x plus 2. So now we have this factor, but just to double check, let's distribute it to see if we get our original trinomial. 3x squared plus 2x plus 12x plus 8. And if you notice, these will combine to give us 14x, thus giving us our original problem. So again, this is just an algorithm that will produce the factored form every time when it looks like in this trinomial form.